In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create email templates in Gmail. If you find yourself typing the same message over and over, templates are a simple way to save time and keep your communication consistent. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and make sure you're signed in. Click the Compose button to open a new message. This draft will become the foundation for your template. Add a clear, reusable subject line, and then write the body of the message exactly the way you want it to appear every time. You can include formatting like bold text, lists, links, or a signature, and even add placeholders such as brackets where you'll later personalize names or details. Take a moment to proofread and make sure your wording is neutral and reusable across recipients or situations. When your draft looks right, look at the toolbar along the bottom of the Compose window. Click the three vertical dots to open More Options. From that menu, hover over Templates. Then choose Save Draft as Template, and select Save as New Template. Gmail will prompt you to name your template. Pick a short descriptive name you'll recognize later, like Newsletter Intro, Follow-up Reminder, or Welcome Message, and then click Save. That's it. You've just created a template. Gmail saves the exact content you wrote, and it can also save the subject line if you included one in the draft. When you use the template later, Gmail will insert the message content for you. If your draft already has a subject, Gmail won't overwrite it. If the subject is blank, it will use the one from your template. This helps you avoid accidental changes when you're reusing templates across different emails. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your templates polished but flexible. Use placeholders where you know you'll personalize details, and avoid including time-sensitive information so the template stays evergreen. If you update a template's wording later, simply recreate it by saving the current draft as a new template with the same or a revised name. Also, if you don't see the templates option in the menu, it may be turned off in your settings or controlled by your organization's administrator. With these steps, you can set up templates for routine outreach, status updates, support replies, or any message you send frequently. It takes just a minute to create one, and it can save you hours over time by eliminating repetitive typing and reducing errors. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your faster, more consistent Gmail workflow.